Do you want to add link to Facebook story? You can put a clickable link on a Facebook story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a link to your Facebook story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the plus Create Story option at the top left of your feed. Now, select a photo, video, or text background that you want to use in your story. Now you are on the story editing screen. On the right side of the screen, you will see different options. Find and tap the sticker icon on the right side. A new screen will appear. From here, tap on the link option. Again, a new screen will appear. Paste or type the URL you want to share. You can enter a website, WhatsApp, YouTube, or any other link here. In the custom sticker text box, you can enter the text that appears on your story. After entering the link, tap Add. You can also add stickers, text, or emojis along with the link. Once ready, tap Share to Story. Now, your Facebook story will be posted with a clickable link that viewers can tap to open.